Understanding us versus them, navigating group dynamics in language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and commonly used phrase in English, us versus them. This phrase is rich in meaning and is often used in various contexts. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Us versus them is a phrase that represents a kind of group division. It's used to describe a situation where a group of people, us, are seen as separate from, and often in opposition to, another group, them. This can happen in sports, politics, social issues, and even in everyday situations. The key aspect here is the perception of two distinct groups with differing interests or views. To understand us versus them better, let's look at some examples. 1. Sports rivalries. In the football match, it's always us, our team, versus them, the rival team. 2. Political debates. During the election, the debate often turns into us, our political party, versus them, the opposing party. 3. Social issues. In discussions about climate change, sometimes it becomes us, environmentalists, versus them, industrialists. These examples show how the phrase is used to highlight a clear division between two groups. Using us versus them can have significant impacts. It simplifies complex situations into a binary opposition, which can be both good and bad. On the positive side, it can foster a sense of solidarity and identity within a group. However, on the negative side, it can lead to stereotyping, misunderstanding, and even conflict between groups. It's important to be aware of these impacts when using the phrase. When using us versus them, it's crucial to understand the context. It's okay in situations like sports where competition is expected, but in more sensitive contexts, like cultural or political discussions, using this phrase might be seen as divisive or confrontational. Always consider the implications of grouping people in this way. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, us versus them, and how it's used in the English language. Remember, language is powerful, and the way we talk about groups can greatly influence our perceptions and interactions. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.